In the vast expanse of the cosmos, where galaxies collide and stars are born, a profound question emerges. What if our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic ocean? This idea, known as the multiverse theory, has captivated scientists and philosophers alike, challenging our understanding of reality itself. Chapter 2: What is the multiverse? The concept of the multiverse is not merely science fiction. It's a serious scientific hypothesis rooted in our most advanced theories of physics. At its core, the multiverse proposes that our universe is just one of many, perhaps infinitely many, universes existing simultaneously. Each of these universes may have its own unique laws of physics, constants, and even versions of ourselves. But what exactly is the multiverse? Scientists have proposed several levels of multiverse theory. The level I multiverse suggests that space extends infinitely beyond our observable universe, containing regions identical to ours. Level 2, often called the bubble universe model, proposes that our universe is one of many bubbles that formed during cosmic inflation. Level 3, based on quantum mechanics, posits that every possible outcome of quantum measurements occurs in a separate universe. Finally, Level 4, the most speculative, suggests that all mathematically possible universes exist. Chapter 3: Scientific Foundations. The scientific foundations of the multiverse theory are rooted in several key areas of physics. Cosmic inflation, a theory proposed by physicist Alan Guth, suggests that the early universe underwent a period of rapid expansion. This inflationary model naturally leads to the creation of multiple bubble universes. Quantum mechanics, with its inherent uncertainty and probabilistic nature, provides another avenue for multiverse theory. String theory, which attempts to unify all fundamental forces, requires extra dimensions that could potentially harbor other universes. Visualize, if you will, the fabric of spacetime stretching and warping, quantum fields fluctuating in and out of existence, and tiny strings vibrating in multiple dimensions. These concepts, while difficult to grasp, form the bedrock of our current understanding of the cosmos and open the door to the possibility of a multiverse. Chapter 4: Parallel Realities and You. But what does this mean for you and me? The implications of a multiverse are staggering. Imagine a universe where you made different choices, where historical events unfolded differently, or where the laws of physics themselves vary. In the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, proposed by Hugh Everett, every quantum event creates a branching of universes. This means that in some universe, there could be another version of you reading this very script, but perhaps in a different setting or with a different mindset. As one scientist from Live Science put it, if the multiverse exists, there could be another you doing exactly what you're doing now. But perhaps in a universe where the sky is green or where dinosaurs never went extinct. This concept challenges our notions of free will, identity, and the nature of consciousness itself. Chapter 5: Philosophical and Ethical Implications. The philosophical and ethical implications of the multiverse theory are equally profound. It forces us to confront existential questions about the nature of reality and our place within it. What does it mean to be you if there are infinite versions of you across the multiverse? How does this impact our understanding of choice and consequence? The multiverse theory also intersects with other mind-bending concepts like simulation theory, which proposes that our reality might be a computer simulation. It touches on determinism, the idea that all events are predetermined, and the anthropic principle, which suggests that our universe appears fine-tuned for life because we're here to observe it. As one researcher from Science News Today noted, the multiverse theory is a continuation of our cosmic journey of humility. Just as we discovered Earth isn't the center of the solar system and our galaxy isn't the only one, we may now be realizing our universe isn't the only one either. Chapter 6: Evidence, Criticism, and What's Next. Despite its fascinating implications, the multiverse theory is not without its critics and challenges. The primary obstacle is the lack of direct observational evidence. We cannot, by definition, observe or interact with other universes. This has led some scientists to question whether the multiverse theory is truly scientific, as it may not be falsifiable in the traditional sense. However, there are potential avenues for indirect evidence. Anomalies in the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang, could potentially be explained by interactions with other universes. Certain inflation models predict specific patterns that, if observed, would lend credence to the multiverse theory. Looking to the future, advancements in quantum computing and gravitational wave detection may provide new tools for probing the nature of reality and potentially finding evidence for or against the multiverse. Some scientists propose that quantum computers might be able to simulate other universes, offering a window into their properties. As we stand on the brink of these cosmic discoveries, it's important to remember that whether the multiverse turns out to be real or not, the very concept challenges us to think beyond our current understanding of reality. It pushes the boundaries of physics, philosophy, and our place in the cosmos. Chapter 7, Conclusion. In conclusion, the multiverse theory represents a frontier of human knowledge where science meets philosophy and imagination. It reminds us of the vastness of the unknown and the endless possibilities that may exist beyond our current perception. As we continue to explore and understand our universe, we may find that it's just one small part of a much grander, more complex reality. Whether real or imagined, the multiverse challenges everything we know about reality. It invites us to ponder the infinite, to question our assumptions, and to marvel at the sheer scale and complexity of existence. As we gaze up at the night sky, we're reminded that the greatest mysteries of the cosmos may lie not just in the stars above, but in the very fabric of reality itself.